Hi, Andrew Camphy here with Better Sheets, helping you make better sheets every single day. Today I'm going to share with you 5 simple ways to make your sheets better. 5 things that you can fix right now to make any sheet better. Number 1 is change your font from Arial to Carla. If you don't have it in your fonts, just go to More Fonts. You can type it in K-R-L-A, click on Carla, say OK, and then go back up to your fonts. You have default, now you have Carla. The second thing that you have a problem with and you need to fix is that a lot of data gets smushed up into each other. All we want to do is add more space between the data. We're going to resize the rows. Select the rows, right click on the rows, resize rows 2 through 999, and we don't want to fit the data. Fitting the data is going to move the rows up and down as you change. We want to specify row height. We're going to put in 30. Click OK, and now we have space in our data. The third thing we're going to do is every single sheet has grid lines everywhere. They go through the entire sheet. We're going to hide those. Go up to View, Show, Uncheck Grid Lines. Your data is going to thank you later. Fourth thing we can fix right now is that every single time we start a sheet, our font size is the same. We're going to increase the font size. We don't want to be peering in with a magnifying glass. I'm going to go up to 14. When we do this, we may have to increase the size of the columns. Number 5 thing we're going to do, we're going to fix your sheet from this glare. The highest contrast is going to ruin your eyes. It's going to make you tired when you're working in Google Sheets. One simple thing we can do is decrease the font from the blackest black. We're going to go to Custom. We're going to type in hashtag 444. Click OK. We have to change our header because it was white before. Now our data looks so much better and we can easily see it. It's a slight shade lower, which decreases the contrast and lets you actually look at this all the time. You don't have to get blinded by the glare and the contrast. And that's 5 ways to fix your sheets right now. Don't make any sheets, make better sheets.